The site is Ralph Wilson Stadium, located in Orchard Park, New York. Another week of football is in the books, so thanks for joining us this evening for what looks to be a great matchup between two solid teams.
You have called tails. Buffalo has won the toss and chooses to receive.
Let's see how it plays out today as we get set for the kickoff. Janikowski is back and ready to put this one in the air. He kicks it off. He's trying to give his team good field position. They'll start this drive from the 20-yard line. The Raiders will be missing one of their defensive linemen in this one. They're telling us he's going to need some type of surgery on his knee, so it looks like he's going to be out for quite a bit of time. Dropping back, Bledsoe sends the pass away, and he steps out of bounds at the 31. He did a nice job staying inbounds on that one.
And it's a catch like that that starts to separate your receivers in this league. The guys who can go out there and make those catches on the sideline, they're on your next level.
He's looking to pass. Steps up into the pocket. Breaks free of the defender. Dixon was intent on getting to the quarterback on that play.
After you take a couple of hits like that, you learn not to hold on to the ball too long.
Woodson with the stop at the 33. Gain of 4. About 8 yards. Ball on their own 33. Bledsoe sets up. Looking downfield. Pump fakes. Throws it. He finds his man. And he's stopped at the 44. That reception moves the chains, and they pick up a first down.
Not only does he have a powerful arm, but he also has a quick release and accuracy to go along with it.
So they're almost within their kicker's range. Ball on the 44-yard line. 4-man front this time. He's going to throw. With the pass, and he makes the grab. He had time to go through his progressions and find the open man.
This guy has great confidence in his arm. He knows that he can make the completion regardless of the coverage.
Four linemen and 3 linebackers lined up defensively, using motion. Drops back. Passing right. It's broken up. Despite good coverage, he forces the ball in there.
And it's almost better to take the sack there because you don't want that pass to get picked off.
Melissa, what have you heard on the sidelines about that injury?
Good news, Al. The trainer said he did sustain an injury, but it doesn't appear to be anything serious. His return is probable.
Melissa, thanks for the update. Sounds like he'll be back very soon. Drops back. Tosses it over the middle. Nice reception. And it looks like this one will be spotted at the 22-yard line. He made a quick read and got rid of it in a hurry.
He was either going to catch it or he was going to get knocked out by it.
He's going to throw. Rolling right, throws it. Reception. And the defender brings him down at the 20. And it looks like there's a penalty on the play.
Unsportsmanlike conduct. Roughing the passer. Defense.
The referee's job in the backfield is to protect that quarterback. If he sees a late hit, he's going to throw the flag every time.
So they have 1st and 10 here. Ball on the 10-yard line. For room. Harris stopped him for his 3rd tackle so far. Picked up about 6 yards that time. It's 2nd down and 5 to go. Bledsoe under center. Henry looking upfield. And so he takes it the rest of the way to the touchdown. The kick is up, and he tacks on the extra point. So over 10 plays are run on a touchdown drive, and it seemed that with each play they're able to get positive yardage, finally get it into the end zone. And they have to be very happy with the methodical way they were able to move the ball on that series.
Anytime you drive down the field and you've used a lot of plays, it tires out that defense. Each play keeps getting you closer and closer, and finally you get the one that puts you in for 6. This is where you want to be able to respond. But you also don't want to panic, because it's only the first quarter.
So they have 1st and 10 here. He's looking to pass. Looking downfield. Number 1 lets it fly. And caught a tremendous catch. He zipped that ball to his receiver.
Yeah, that's what the receiver's first job is, to catch the ball. And once he has control of the ball, then he can look to stretch it for a big gain.
And we're ready to start the second quarter. So they're almost within their kicker's range. Ball on the 42-yard line. Dropping back. He surveys the field. Throwing left, and he makes the grab. That's complete to number 80 for a gain of 22 yards for first down. First and 10. Four linemen and 3 linebackers lined up defensively. They'll go with a pass. He's looking, gets rid of it. So the pass falls incomplete in the end zone. Number 86. Inside the red zone. Drops back. He's looking. Gets rid of it. Garner, the lone back. He's going to throw. With the throw, it's broken up. He just knocks it down.
I'm not surprised. That was a tough pass.
Janikowski will try to come through with the field goal here. And it's up. The kick is good. And they're able to get some points out of the drive with the successful field goal attempt.
Hey, that's why you have your kicker. You put him in position to come through, and when he does, it gives your offense confidence. But they don't have to do it all. They can rely on him to get points too.
He gets the kick away. Looking for a good return.
He might just want to play it safe here and take this lead into the locker room.
It's 1st and 10. Two-minute warning coming up. Henry looking for blockers. Running to the left side. And he's done at the 33.
If you can get into the flow of the game and your yards per carry are this high, then you found a huge weakness in the defense.
About a yard to go. 2 minutes to go. Second and about 1. Ball on their own 33. Bledsoe gets set. the call. He shakes the defender. Harris laid a good hit on him there for his 5th tackle of the game. He bulldozes through the line for the first.
That was like a big piece of heavy equipment out there, moving this thing here and that thing there and getting where he needed to go.
So they have 1st and 10 here. Ball on their own 37. Bledsoe under center, passing right, and he can't hold it in. A hard throw, but no counts. The pass throw is incomplete.
Well, he slung it in there, but the receiver just couldn't come up with it. The defense can't afford to take too many gambles. They're going for a pick when they should just try and knock it down. One mistake can lead to a big play for the offense.
3-man front this time. Man in motion. He's going to throw. Gets rid of it, and he can't hang on. Moles drops it.
There's really no excuse for that. You just have to catch those balls. There's no need for the quarterback to force any throw. There's a whole second half to play, and they don't want him to make any mistakes.
3rd down and long coming up here. Man in motion. Drops back. He goes to the left side. And it's caught. And he goes out of bounds at the 39. So a pickup of maybe 3. Time for a punt here as it's now 4th down. 4th and 7. Number 31. Looks like he's ready for the return. Number 31 will be looking for some good blocking on the run back. The defense were able to keep him out of the end zone on their last possession, but the offense did pick up 3.
If they don't want to go into the half down by this much, they're going to need some good throws and good clock management here.
1st and 10. Ball on their own 42. Dropping back. Looking for a receiver. Across midfield. Number 77 pulls him down at the 46-yard line. First and 10. Four-man front this time. Quick drop. Looking downfield. Passes it. Williams was the intended target. A little too much on that pass, resulting in an overthrow.
He just threw that pass too hard. The receiver might have caught up with the ball if he used a little more touch.
It's 2nd down and 10 to go. Four-man front this time. He's going to throw. Surveying the field. Number 1 throws. He was lucky to get that one off. The defense was all over.
He knew he didn't have much time, and he decided to get rid of the ball quickly on that one.
3rd and long. The defense trying to bring this drive to a halt. 3rd and long. Ball on the 46-yard line. Nickelback in this time. Rolls left. Looking for a receiver. Newman got in there for his first tackle. Number 1 breaks this one for a gain.
It's just so frustrating as a defense when a quarterback takes off and makes a play, because that's just one more thing you have to defend against.
So they have 1st and 10 here. Looking to pass. Passing right. Nice completion. The 10. Clements with the tackle at the 7. He brings down the high throw and gives them a first.
You know, with this receiver, you can throw it anywhere. You throw it high and behind him, he'll go get it, just like he did there.
So it's 1st and goal. 7 yards to the goal line. The quarterback lines up with 2 options behind him. Quick drop. And he stopped at the 15. It's the end of the second quarter with the score. Buffalo 7, Oakland 3. And we go back to the game. As they line up to kick it off, we'll take a look at each team's stats through 2 quarters. Number 8 will be kicking off.
Number 31 and number 42 deep to the
He sends this one toward the end zone. Attempting to give his team good field position.
You need a field goal or a touchdown right here to respond to that score.
So they have 1st and 10 here. Ball on their own 18. And it looks like an offset off. Dropping back, looking downfield. Newman pulls him down at the 24. Number 1 did a great job of making something out of nothing on that play.
The quarterback felt some pressure coming from the outside. He decided to pull it down and run with it.
The Raiders line up with 2 backs behind the quarterback. They'll go with a pass. And it looks like this one will be spotted at the 19. 9 yards to go. And it looks like an offset off. Looking downfield. Rolling out to his right. Looking downfield. And that's now 3 tackles for him in this game.
The running game has been the key to the offense so far in the game. Let's see if it continues.
Fourth and short. Ball on their own 28. Using split backs. They'll go with a pass. Newman records the tackle at the 33. He was in on the play again for another tick on the stat sheet. First and 10. Ball on their own 33. Dropping back. Surveying the field. Number 1 with the pass. Garner was the intended target. He put a little too much on that one.
He's got to be careful with throws like that. There's a good chance of hurting his receiver or throwing a pick.
So it's 2nd and 10. Ball on their own 33. Number 1 with split backs. He's going to throw. Passes it. Nice connection. Winfield with the tackle at the 45. With that pass completion, the quarterback has now broken the 100-yard barrier. So they have 1st and 10 here. Ball on the 45-yard line. Number 1 under center. Looking to pass. He's looking. Passing to his left. Nice completion. And he stopped at the 1. He really zipped that pass in there.
Hey, I think we need to get this guy's throws on the radar. That thing had a vapor trail.
It's 1st and goal. Ball on the 1. 4-man front this time. Drops back. Williams stops him for negative yardage.
Number 93, loss of the yard on the play.
2nd and goal. Ball on the 1. Dropping back. Number 1 with the throw. And this pass is completed. The defender was caught out of position on the score.
Yeah, the defenders were looking one way while the play was going the other.
The Raiders leading in the game, but not by much. And it's on its way. The extra point attempt is good. And so the offense is able to drive the majority of the field and finish with a touchdown.
And give some credit to that big offensive line. Those guys are working hard out there, and it's showing on drives like that.
Janikowski is just about ready to kick this one away. He sends it off. Reed is on his way upfield. The Bills take over on offense at the 18-yard line. It's 1st and 10. Ball on their own 18. The Bills are in the offset I formation. Looking to pass. Throwing. Batted down. Good pass, but no catch.
There's just no excuse for that. He's getting paid a lot of money to make those catches.
Second down and 10 to go. Bledsoe under center. Centers. Goes in motion. Looking for blockers. Running to the left side. And he's brought down at the 29-yard line. He really covered some good ground there.
And here's a guy with great speed who can pick up the first, then keep the ball moving downfield.
The teams are set for the fourth quarter of play. First and 10. Ball on their own 29. Looking downfield. Passing to his left. Hits his man with the pass. The 40. Woodson makes the tackle at the 22. He gets on the stat sheet by picking up his first tackle of the game. That'll give the offense some free yardage.
That's a disappointing play by the defense. I'm sure the coach will work his team hard this week to avoid that type of thing.
Let's see what they can do in the red zone. Henry, the lone setback. And he gets the toss. He'll use the spin. And he's tackled at the 10-yard line.
Loss of 15 yards.
Bledsoe under center. Looking for an opening. He'll touch the right side. Woodson stopped him for his third tackle so far.
Seems like the back is seeing the holes even before they open up out there. Kind of like a Superman.
So it's second and 10. Ball on the 17-yard line. Bledsoe sets up, drops back, throws over to his right. The catch was made out of bounds.
As a quarterback, you're supposed to put the ball where only the receiver can get it. I think somebody should have told him that he also needs to keep it in bounds.
They're inside the 20. Man in motion. Dropping back. Bill Romanowski wasn't going to be denied his first sack on that play.
I'll tell you, the way he's been playing, I'd be surprised if he didn't get another one.
Hollis is looking to add to their total with this attempt. The kick is up. A nice kick, and it's good. So drop Blues with a field goal, and they seem to be relatively happy with that.
They couldn't get that final push through the red zone, but the kicker came out and made sure they got at least some points on the board.
Number 8 looks like he's just about ready to kick this one off. He kicks it off. Kirby fields it cleanly. Loose ball. The Raiders scoop up the live ball. First and 10. Ball on their own 20. Garner, the lone back, looking to pass. Looking downfield. Throws it. Brown was the intended target. Number 1 couldn't get it to his man.
And you want to lead the receiver so that he can catch and run, but you don't want to lead him that much.
It's second down and 10 to go. Ball on their own 20. Garner, the lone back. They'll go with a pass. He surveys the field. Breaking free. Number 94 records the stop at the 28. Number 1 took matters into his own hands.
You know, you can run any defensive scheme you want, but I'll tell you this, it's hard to compensate for the quarterback that can scramble and make plays on the run.
2 yards to go. Looking to pass. Stepping up, looking downfield. Throwing left, and he stopped at the 47-yard line. A display of good concentration by the receiver.
If he can make catches like that regularly, he can expect to see more passes thrown in his direction.
Ball at midfield. He put everything he had behind that throw.
That's one way to make sure your receiver doesn't drop the ball. You throw it so hard that he has to catch it in self-defense. You just put it right on him.
So they have 1st and 10 here. They line up in the I formation. Back to pass. And they keep it on the ground for the score.
Yeah, that was a good call by the coordinator. The defense wasn't looking for that one.
The Raiders find themselves up by a small margin.
Right. Set.
And it's up. And he tacks on the extra point. So they're now up by a touchdown. Janikowski looks like he's just about ready to kick this one off.
Number 21, deep to receive.
He gets the kick away. Reed will bring this one upfield. The Bills will start this drive from the 22-yard line.
What they need here is some yards on 1st and 2nd down so they don't set themselves up with 3rd or possibly 4th and long. The whole field is open to them because there's a decent amount of time left.
He's going to throw. Bledsoe passes left. Great catch. The 40. Harris makes the tackle at the 26. The former first-round pick picks up a few more yards there to put him over the 150 mark.
The yards that these receivers make after the catch are a great indication of their physical ability. It shows that they are creative, that they can create yards by using their speed and making the defenders miss tackles.
Bledsoe didn't show much touch on that pass.
You got to deliver the ball out there quickly, but it has to be catchable. You got to use some touch.
So it's 2nd and 10. Ball on the 26-yard line. Back to pass with the throw. Great catch. He's inside the 10. It helps to have soft hands to bring in a hard throw like that one.
What a throw. He put everything he had into that one.
1st down and goal to go. Ball on the 6-yard line. Now on 2nd down, they're trying to get it in for 6.
They still have plenty of time to get in. I think this is where you might ask your tight end to find a hole in defense and be in position to make a play for a touchdown.
Quick drop. Rolling right, looking for a receiver. Throws it, and he makes the grab. He threw a great pass, and they get into the end zone.
The quarterback knew that he had to make that pass perfect, and he got the job done on that one.
And it's on its way, and he tacks on the extra point. Kirby gets set to return the kickoff as we take a look at his stats. Number 8 will be kicking off. He sends this one toward the end zone. He'll start upfield. Let's see if they can have the same sort of success on this possession that they had in their last, picking up a lot of yardage through the air on their way to a score.
I think this play might decide what they're going to do the rest of the drive. If it's a good game, they might try to get the field goal. If it's a short run or an incomplete pass, they might just play it safe the next 2 downs and try and get into overtime.
Newman comes up big for the defense, dropping the quarterback.
Yeah, and the quarterback just had to take the hit, and that took a lot out of him.
So it's 2nd and 10. Ball on their own 25. Garner gets the toss. Looking to turn it upfield. Missed the tackle. Number 77 makes the tackle at the 34-yard line. He's starting to make his presence felt out there. They need to hurry to get into field goal range.
But when it's time, you don't want to force a pass and turn it over. They need smart throws here.
Only one man back. Dropping back. Number 1 throws. The defender broke that play up. Now it's 4th down, and they'll punt it away with a few seconds remaining.
They should have the punter kick this one out of bounds, or real high, so there's no chance of a return. The last thing you want to do is give up a touchdown return to end the game.
Looking downfield. And it looks like they'll mark it at the 45-yard line. This game will be heading to overtime. Janikowski in to kick this one off.
Number 82 and number 21 to receive.
He sends it off. Reed is looking to pick up some blocking.
Penalties declining. They can take the result of the play.
First and 10. Ball on their own 37.
Set.
Looking for room. Looking to turn the corner. And he's tackled at the 40-yard line.
When they sat down and discussed the running game this week, I'm sure they never thought it would go this well.
Melissa, what's up?
I was able to talk to the team doctor, Al, and he indicated that it's a minor injury. They expect that it'll take a series or two off and return to the field.
Melissa, thanks for the update. Sounds like he'll be back very soon. No catch. He was out of bounds.
If you get the ball to the receiver, he's usually going to make the catch. There's not much he can do if he has to catch the ball out of bounds.
They need 7. The quarterback lines up with 2 backs behind him. Looking for room. Looking to turn it upfield. And the defender brings him down at the 40-yard line. He went nowhere, John.
Went nowhere fast.
4th and 7 coming up. Brown is back to receive this kick. Brown fields it cleanly. Let's check in quickly with Melissa.
I was able to talk to the team doctor, Al, and he indicated that it's a minor injury. They expect that it'll take a series or 2 off and return to the field.
Thanks, Melissa. That's very good news. Drops back, looking downfield. Number 1 throws. Williams, the intended receiver. Clements did a nice job knocking that ball down.
Great position and great reaction made that play happen.
2nd and 10. Ball on their own 28. They'll go with a pass. Number 1 throws. Great catch. And it looks like this one will be spotted at the 47. Terrific athleticism there. Leaping up, catching the pass.
This receiver has great body control. It doesn't seem to matter where it's thrown. He always seems to come up with it.
1st and 10. Drops back. Surveying the field. Tosses it right. Brown just couldn't find a way to come up with that. Number 23 swatted that pass down.
He tried to guide it in there, but it didn't work.
Ball at about midfield. Four linemen and 3 linebackers lined up defensively. He's looking to pass. He's looking. He's at the 40. The 30. Clements makes the tackle at the 24-yard line. Number 1 showed great acceleration on that run, cruising ahead for a big game.
The offense won the battle at the line of scrimmage, and they blew the defenders off the line, opening holes for the runner to slide right through.
It's 1st and 10. Ball on the 24-yard line. Looking to pass. Gets the pass off. And this pass is completed.
Takes the timeout. That's their final timeout.
goal to go.
9 yards out. Pass. He surveys the field. Great job by the quarterback to get it in.
Yeah, that guy showed some great wheels here. He decided where he wanted to go with it, and it was all over.
So he crosses the goal line to double his rushing touchdown total. A reminder to join us next week for another exciting NFL game. This has been a presentation of EA Sports. And this is Al Michaels for our entire crew saying good night.